Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use filter curve EQ in Audacity. So if you would like to use it for your track, you need to select it by clicking somewhere here, and then everything should be selected here. Then we need to go to Effect, we need to go to EQ and Filters, and here we need to select second tab, Filter Curve EQ. So I click here, and now we can modify this effect by clicking somewhere in the line to create points. So for example, I have created here a new dot, and then I will create here something too. And now you can modify position of these dots. You can adjust the effect that you want to get. In my opinion, this effect is really great. I recommend you to set lines something like that. You can click preview to check change. So I click here. I'm testing this microphone 1, 2, 3. How you see, it sounds really great. You can always try to invert your effect, or you can flatten it if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. So maybe I will set this one effect, and then I click apply button to add it to my audio. So I do it now, and how you see, changes have been successfully applied to my track. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it was helpful for you.